In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use HubSpot CRM for beginners. By the end, you will know how to bring in contacts, connect your email, manage deals in a pipeline, automate routine work, and track performance with dashboards. To start building your database, go to the top navigation and click CRM, then choose Contacts. This is where HubSpot stores the people and companies you work with. In the top right, click Import to add your list. HubSpot will guide you through uploading a file and matching your columns, so take a moment to confirm that fields like first name, last name, email, and company map correctly. If you keep your data clean during import, it will be easier to segment, search, and report later. Next, connect your inbox, so HubSpot can help you log communication and work more efficiently. Click Settings, then go to General, and then Email. Follow the prompts to connect the email account you use for work. This helps you track emails inside the CRM and keeps your contact records up to date. As you connect your inbox, review any options related to logging and tracking so the setup fits your workflow and privacy needs. Once contacts and email are set, it is time to look at your sales process. Click Sales, then Deals to view your pipeline. A pipeline is a visual way to track opportunities as they move through stages, from early conversations to closed business. Spend a moment getting familiar with the columns because this view becomes your daily command center for sales follow-up. To track a new opportunity, go to the top right and click Create Deal or Pipeline. Creating a deal helps you capture key details like the deal name, amount, close date, and stage. Choosing the right stage matters because it affects your forecasting and reports. If you need a different process for another product line or team, creating a separate pipeline keeps things organized. To automate repetitive tasks, click Automations, then Workflows. Workflows can handle actions like assigning owners, sending internal notifications, or moving records based on updates. Start simple, automate one consistent process, and build from there as you gain confidence. Finally, to track your results, click Reporting, then Dashboards. Dashboards pull key metrics into one place, so you can monitor activity, pipeline health, and outcomes over time. Use this view regularly to spot trends and stay focused on what drives progress. That covers everything you need to know.